ट्रायल पैसेज फॉर चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट एट द रेट 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स, 400 words. Be ready, start. The second contention raised by the learned counsel for the petitioner is that the order of maintenance should be made effective from the date of passing of the order and not from the date of filing of the application. Although in this regard there is a contrary view also, however, the learned trial court or the learned revisional court can grant the maintenance from the date of filing of the application under section 125 CRPC. In this particular case, the application was presented in the trial court on 23/1/2006 and it was decided on 23/9/2008. Thus, the application for maintenance was decided by the trial court within 3 years, and further the revision was filed on 4/11/2008 and it was decided on 31/10/2009. Therefore, no inordinate delay can be said to have occurred in deciding the application for maintenance as well as the criminal revision petition number 70/2010 revision petition. Therefore, in my view, the order of the revisional court to grant the maintenance from the date of submission of the application cannot be said to be improper, irregular or illegal. Learned counsel for the petitioner also submits that the revisional court should have remanded the case back to the trial court for proper adjudication because the revisional court has no jurisdiction to enhance the amount of maintenance. Rather, the revisional court should have remanded the case back to the trial court for redetermining the quantum of maintenance allowance. Per contra, learned counsel appearing for the non-petitioners submits that the revisional court can pass any order which the trial court can pass in a particular case. Therefore, it was necessary for the revisional court to remand the case back to the trial court for redetermining the maintenance allowance, as the revisional court itself can enhance the amount of maintenance in view of the powers conferred upon it under section 397 CRPC. I am of the view that the revisional court has the same powers as that of the trial court. Therefore, in my view, the learned revisional court has committed no illegality, impropriety or irregularity while passing the impugned order dated 31/10/2009. Criminal revision petition number 70/2010, and accordingly the same does not require any interference, full stop. Further, the learned revisional court, while enhancing the amount of maintenance, appreciated all the relevant facts, and as per the admission of the petitioner husband in the reply regarding his monthly income being rupees 11,600 rupees, full stop. स्टूडेंट इसको आप टाइप करें, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच करें, और आपको PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा। टेलीग्राम चैनल का जो लिंक है हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको मिल जाएगा। धन्यवाद।